Next is the dry and white became rich and brown, and the dead sand became living soil. When he started planting the trees, then the white and dry soil become brown, and dead sand becomes living soil. Jadav was no longer sad, but he wasn't happy either. Jadav was not sad, but he was not happy also. He looked around his bamboo grove and thought, a few trees place is nice, I know, but how wonderful it would be if this were a many trees place. The idea thrilled him. See, he said that when he looked around the bamboo groove means group of trees, okay, and he thought that a few trees place is nice, okay, means he say that now the place is filled with the few trees, but he think that how wonderful it would be that if the place becomes now many trees places, means basically he want to grow more trees there. So Jadav went back to his village and began collecting many more seeds and saplings. He filled 3 big bags with Arjun and Azar and Gulmohar and Koroe and Moj and Himolo. See, these all are the name of the trees. Jadav went back to his village and he began to collect all the seeds and saplings. Now that our few trees place has lovely brown soil, we can plant all these and more. He said that now firstly the place where no tree was there, now it becomes few trees place, but now he can grow more type of trees and make it many trees place. Jadav brought his new saplings and seeds to the few trees place and planted them all around. Now Jadav brought that saplings. Saplings means small plants and seeds to that place and he planted them all around. Soon his Arjun, Azar and Gulmohar, his Koroe, Moj and Himolu and all his many other plants dug in, took root and started growing. Means after some time his all trees they get root and started growing. As they grew they spread new seeds and new seeds in turn took roots. When these trees grow they spread means distribute new seeds, then new seeds again become took roots, shoots become trunks. Shoots means small plants like this way, they become trunks like this way, okay. Trunks grew branches, from trunks branches grew, okay, and branches reach for the sky, means branches grow so high that they almost uh, they seems like touching the sky. The few trees place that was once a no trees place now become a wonderful green many trees place. He said that the place where no tree was there, now it first then after that it becomes a few trees place and now it becomes many trees place. Then Jadav had another thought. Many trees in one place is good, I know, but how wonderful it would be if there were many trees in every place. He said that now, okay, many trees place or many trees at one place is very good, okay, but how wonderful it will be that all the places have many trees. So he grabbed his bags of seeds and started walking across the world. Then he took or got his bags of seeds and he started moving all over the world. And he walked. Jadav started planting the seeds in all the no tree places he saw. And wherever he saw that no trees places, he started planting seeds there, and he planted and planted and planted, means he kept on planting the trees. But there are so many no trees places, there are more no tree places than tree places now, but we know that there are so many no tree places than tree places. This is terribly sad, this is very sad, but Jadav does not sit down and cry this time. But this time Jadav does not sit down like previous one and cry. Jadav plants and plants and plants some more, means now Jadav is continuously planting the trees. It's going to be hard work bringing all the old forest back. Now see, firstly, so many forests were there, but they were cut down for making houses or factories, so it is very difficult to bring those old forests back. The seas has begun rising and the winds grow cold. Towns have become cities and Jadav is growing old. Now seas have become rising and winds grow cold. Now, wind is cold, towns now become cities, and Jadav is growing old. Means Jadav has now grown old. But he keeps on planting and planting and planting. But still he is planting and planting. Jadav will keep on planting until the whole world is happy, lovely, loads of trees place. Jadav will plant until the whole world becomes happy and there were loads of trees places. Okay, so that's it in your story.